ayema ni nyina na mo hu ba bia wo be fa betimi aboa wo ebi wo betimi enum wo ho wo betimi afatantra hill runabout uduru no wo mu wo ho e se wonim se wo bedi esoro ha wan ha 3 hours kura na wonu adwuma Meka usa haye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. The Obokrata dodo no abadwa so daily graphic wa ha. The Ghanaian Times nso wa ha, daily guidance nso wa ha. Nemo miemfa seda emu odro ema endpoint homeopathy clinic. Dr. Dubuati ankasa yetene so ane ya sorry. Duane yemfa homeopathy so na enye endpoint ema wo yare. Hajia special local food eduane papa fie kasa natural mineral water no nso ginam se Sompa 106.5 FM Accra opese woni ye dijuma opese wo hu ye dwumadi opese wo kire wadwene wo bibi ho a your client service line is 0531886216 and 0531886216 na wode afa ho kama. It is a radio ponche kubema aba homa no so me konoma kwakwa fana na what the traffic situation na na fe do bokrata na bobo ne taw ne ewie ya 7:30 pepepe ne amamote madwenche no aba opon be ma memo achi o
me do so nyame ehira no
na bibia bokode
adom ne ahwe yi aya asamba kwa de bia me tai ka kira manfo se edua no fa se ni se ukwa santima bro no bi wo ye fani benyame ono na no pe me dan no
wonya dan ni die nurse wo ye botantim won tofom so da
Debbie.
Aha, mo. Upon yenim say ensuo na etoto na enkran hanso no enu akwasi etoya. Na duru anopa say ye dwoa da yesi na wochi foforo mu ankrofo ekọ adwuma. Na traffic ne miamia bebre anapai wo sore ntem wonante mantimo a. Ede na wo hunu ye na yetiefo ye ni ena ye ho so.
Ma me da say. Ene ebo beye nunum ena nisifie on se ma me no me se eye ablikuma na nsenke ni ne ekoso ewo eye ablikuma ni titiro pretty farm work at the Bapensko junction and sample no wedu eye ablikuma junction na wakwa kopiemu ewo eye ablikuma care traffic e man ho me so fiti ahemache no okwani nyame anim ni ogine ho a won ti ase enye traffic light nso a ewo eye banya junction wono enye adwuma o maame eye adwuma nanso aya ntende bre na no obi ni yenam so ema go slow ema traffic etini ewo ta kwantempo no so sa na echie mu a kokopie mu ewo eye kaneshi won se maame traffic light na o kebu edipa won sa denkum so ansa na wako eye main kaneshi overhead ho no no traffic no so ye adwuma abodi fone bi wo ho no mo ahwe direct traffic na so enam se insuo to na nkempenie ama enam so fem won mo baabi atitu enu ntino enam so ama aye asenkafo ni bebre na di wo no ma na o ma slow down e tan se wo ye se o ko na ho hawe so a ansha wo be wie no asan so kofa problem kese e di ama wo shen nta ye di wo no ma o mo to mo boase ni titiri e ye cars ya ye da de o mo tu ka bia o pe e wo so mo to mo wo hwe na o sharp eko bu anase bia bibi toa oba aso ama traffic atipa ma me chiemu afa kanesi titi kanesi eba be chiemu awo eye kwa nkoma circle no ma me ekwa ntutu anka ibe so a ma be ye ni na wati medu no ma me 45 minutes na wundu circle ye enti ye bi sa e be mpa na ma enkan traffic etinya cheta ma me mama na so a enda me chiemu ena me call ye me kokopie mu ewo eye police headquarters enti police headquarters won mo so na mu a e de ko eye lungwa kechi kwante pon so ma me eno si traffic e bi o no ye ti wan ye ntia but ye so me ti ya ka ti bi atre one say udu fire service any police headquarters en tam ho no no e kwan bi o no ma utimi branch fa won sa ben kum so na wakokopie awo 37 abai ayale sabia kwante mpon ho no no e wonu mu ye bia ye bia the traffic chibebre na e wo ana drivers for omo drivers do mo fa ye titiri se udu eye main GBC eye run about na wo na udu ani chiemu awo Jubilee House kwante mpon so kwakopie mu awo eye 37 na watu asa ko Madina traffic wo mu ntino aya driver for the benani be fire service ni police for them ho no mo kwako si eye 37 military hospital no kwante mpo ni mu na chedenye omo chomako and also now so my traffic at Chipa in the the friend and Kramer say, okay, so sorry, some quick, my man, I just also been on the answer. Nothing, I require no fear, nothing, what's me up or woman in our property. Mamma, Manasua, the social to about the Tiamu, the fear, you were a Yoko board. One day, Coco board, one I think of one Jumaya, yes, send the brain on over for you, Juma, so I and crying, move and cut the second Samanto, and then put them on. Say, who do a young Coco board and you want one? Traffic and so, traffic, our papa, I put it for no, I'm a Gino, and Mr. Nano, over your leg, but you know, almost one more direct traffic. Now, the next year, car for a war a year, Coco Mlemle, Johnson, so. Every call a year cap price, you know. Mammy, we need traffic to use you. I want to know for what you have to traffic. Traffic in here, Juma. Now, to go to new bikes and 1 1. What is a year technical? After the shop, and I get any war directed and I'm sure I'm a traffic, you know. A switch near the Cassa. Yes, there who do component for that. Stefano, a 1 1. What moves what traffic? The mood to buy. The mood. Now, so what the Apam Dadaa cannot do a year for memory a year. I mean, traffic like no one, and one idea. Man, the traffic with them. It's an traffic situation. Our crown. A year at Shimota. One temple, so about the Piemu, a year cap price with the money, and will come crack. Now, so to be born, what the HM our cap price one more. Not then you walk what I call their mommy. Let it go to law 1 hour.
Nese se wufri achimota ede kwa na akofata sa no police station hono anu a traffic na no nye den kese meboa. Okay, na kokomlemle hono so wo se police fo no omugina hono so wo mo so ya ade afi se wo mo direct traffic ne kama meboa. Na kanashi ko circle no na wo ka bibi ho e ho so sisuma me police fo bi wo ha mo direct traffic wo ho ana.
Me 44 wo now so and I'm say a walk and yet man one share here now no deal one for my this a friend a BITMISE no we know about the boy here and you have been from the whole better maswa man one say last week one no and a year background I play for my no na shebekani or no any for no and I was share in quantum for any so yeah and down was western housing. Yeah, many of the airport, pumping, airport share, when you're number one, and all the more quantum for 1 year. Then I mean, so you put my phone for them on the year. Mammy, no word in the market, mammy, I'm not a hormone, and I'm like it was. And the Ayash and Kapuni do one man, almost 12 of 1 thing. And I won't say a woman, a bypass. What you need some for the motor play a castle quantum bonus. What you need for the man, sounds to book up. It would be a yellow pass quantum bonus, not as a vineyard one. And I want to make something now, Banyard one and best straight. Now about the doom a yet traffic light now. Who branches to one more not the whole way around a yet connection. I'm not down in Tramas and according to me, Costi. Man, would you hope? Now, can't bomb running photo any atemato. In Tenam Super Crama, I have a taxi driver, that's one to warn. And yet, it's a devil to a baby check a bit near. And can one of them say, and sure, why not? The whole minute was so much. No, I'm not very uncommon, so I'm a mention. I'm what the other was going to mommy. Say, what do one man? He's so not to quite money in our and I'm not so at them. Mammy said, and so upper query. No, now, so what here. Now, no carpet to me. Mammy cannot get the cookie. And no crap. I'm a traffic light. I won't go on. Yes, you might be an answer. It's me, yes, my Harris. And now, I have quite more to 2. I'm a traffic. I'm on home street. Na yenim se dro no pase yankrofo kwa adwuma. Nye obi anso na wo car. Nipa wo mu gina kwan ho a wo mo pe car, wo mo pe trotro no. Eno nso sen na situation ni sitie e donso se de meme ahomachi me ba no obi kura me no misi muntem pa ansa na mabadwuma ye kwan no still na no. Nipa me hu so wo mu gina ho ahomachi before 5 am. Ano mo pe car na nya asam ketwa wo nso no nipa gina adwumayefo ebi kutakuta wo mo yire no ebi kuta wo mu kru no mo ma wo mo bags ne ade ne situation ne tisai. Mama me that one say car na mo de man we adwuma mu no aye e do no party na traffic nti no aye me party e de si won kaka na mama na ba fa e de abreme e wo ma hye begatie but yɛhyɛ ɛyɛ ablekuma kɛ wɔnoma ma me bɛpɛ bɛs anɔpa na onum na mefisie ɛkɔgyina kwan sa mepɛ ka nipa ne go na nyɛ nipa ketewa nti ayɛ fɔba ne sɛi na wopɛ ntɛm deɛ a ɛneɛ bayad wɔnom na no motofoɔ bi gyinagyina hɔ na wɔpɛ bi na wode kɔ ɛnyɛ saa paa na ɔyɛ w'adwen sɛ woba bɛsi toɔtoɔ akyi a ma me anhwɛ anɔnko bɛbɔ na wondi w'adwuma wɔ sa wokɔ woanhwɛ yɛ nso a ne yɛba bɛyi w'adi enti nipa egu kwan ho a ɛsɛ kaa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ablekuma junction ɔmo dɔɔso ma me ɛnyɛ hɔ nko a wɔn sɛ aka kakra na wadu ɛyɛ akyemɔta sorry kaneshi overhead wɔnom no ma me ɔnso nipa egu hɔ ne nyɛ nipa ba na nneɛma hu ne sɛ nipa no gu kwan ho sɛi na adrabafoɔ ne apɛsinyafoɔ no ɛna ɛba ne si ɛsɛ ɔmo si kasam ɛyɛ akɔtɔ kakra ba yɛ du anɔpɛ sɛi na ma me te sɛ bi a wɔn nso gyee wɔ abɔ yi sɛi ohun amanfoɔ gyina kwan ho ɛbɛyɛ ɔmɔbɔ na wɔpɛ bi na wɔde ɔmo kɔ nti ɛno nso yɛ adeɛ nkakra ba tɔ de sɛ no nipa egu kwan ho a ɛpɛ ka no ma me ano ɔden wokɔ nungua tɛsi kwan ntɛmpoɔ no nso wɔn ho a ma me nipa egu kwan ho a ɛpɛ ka ɛde abɔ wɔ adwuma mu nso no ano ayɛ den nti ayɛ ɛba ne sɛ na ma me wohyɛ wo pɛsɛn na wɔnhyɛ skirt na ɔyɛ ɔbaa na ɔbɛtena po ɛyɛ afidie pitafo bi a na afɛgya ɔfa no saa na sɛ wode akɔkɔ fie mu ɛwɔ w'adwuma mu enti saa na ɛkɔ so traffic so aba nyɛkyɛ ne sɛ ma me nipa a ayɛ egu kwan ho anɔpɔ ɔmo kɔ adwuma no ayɛ edu anim a ɛwɔ so ten saa ɛna sɛ agadifoɔ ne bebree hɔ no ɔmo sɔrɔ ahemakye na ɔmo akɔ adwuma enti sɛ ɔmo pɔn na ɔmo fɛ sie anwummere no a ɛno nso yɛ adeɛ a ɛma traffic ɛkyɛ paa ɛno no ɛnyɛ car traffic na mo human traffic nti ɛno ne saa no te sɛ bi a maame wote East Legon yi sɛ yi kaa no ɛbɛkɔ East Legon na ɛkyɛ sɛ fɔn kakra ɛdi nti biara bi kakra ansa na wafa ha kakra ansa na wafa ha kakra maame sɛ wɔyɛ ɔbagye te sɛ transportation 50 cities a maame adɔ yi a wobɛbɔ besia wɔ phone so nti ɛno nso yɛ adeɛ bi a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ nkra ha no tie ɛbɛtumi ankra mpanimfoɔ ɛnhyɛeɛ ne sɛ aban de bɛtu dɛsɛ mu sɛ ɔmbɛma ɛyɛ bus akɛseɛ bi abɛgyina kwan so afa amanfoɔ de ɔmo akɔ adwuma sɛ traffic ba a yɛnyɛ hu biem saa yɛ nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ ɔmo nso ɔmo si yɛ nka ɔmo nhwɛ na ɔmo nyɛ sa so na ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛboa amanfoɔ bebree na ɔmo kaa ɛne ɔmo nan no ɛsoɔ atumi
yo ɔpɔ mede wo wie koraa no afotuo bɛn ɛna wode bɛma obi a saa berɛ afei ne wɔpie afiri fie akɔ adwuma na wɔtie Sompa 106.5 FM akra afotuo bɛn ɛna wode bɛma de atwa to
ma me da se ni bi asem fanfiri ɛyɛ poku ase embra ɛyɛ akyemɔta sɛ ofiri ɛyɛ poku ase ɛna wo ba na sɛ o kaa no ayɛ magya national tanker use overhead ne top o use overhead ne top a ɛbɛboa kakra sɛn down no ɛna sɛ ofiri ɛyɛ kaneshi ɛnso ɛna w'ani kyerɛ ɛyɛ circle nso a maame ɛwɔ no deɛ sɛnyɛ tie bi atɔtɔfoɔ na ɔmo fa soro ɔmo bɛfa fam nti ɛno no saa na ayɛ no ɔmo anya abokyerɛ kakra maame sɛ ofiri ɛyɛ baabi te sɛ kwame nkoma maame dɔkono hɔ nom na wode w'ani akyerɛ mu ɛwɔ madina adɛnta a mɛserɛ wo ɛno nso no ɔbɛtumi a anka wo deɛ fa moto ne bɛkyɛ mu wɔ Jubilee House ɛkɔdu ɛyɛ 37 na sɛ wodu 37 a wafa toatoa so ɛne ɛno no saa na ɛbɛtumi aboɔ kakra na mmom sɛ wofi nkran ana ebi a w'ani kyerɛ baabi te sɛ ebi a ɛyɛ madina nso deɛ a ɛneɛ na ɛno no neɛ ɛbɛtumi aka kyerɛ no sɛ wofa kaa na akɔyi so the bypass no a wotumi nna mu ɛkɔkɔdu ɛyɛ lapa na ɔyɛ beach hotel saa kwantempɔn no so no ɛneɛ no nso no ɛyɛ adeɛ ɛbɛtumi aboa paa ne titiri wo a mokɔ ɛyɛ kaneshi nongua anaasɛ bi a madina mpo sɛ wokɔ ɛyɛ dɛm a ɛno nso ɛyɛ kwan a ɛbɛtumi afa so ɛbɛboa papaapa
Opon Checheku Bema yɛbɛda ase anɔpa yi sɛ wode traffic situation in Accra wode abrɛ yi ɛwɔ Sompa 106.5 FM Accra yɛda ase yɛbɛsan kasa biem Atiefo yɛnsɛntro ne Opon Checheku Bema ɛna yɛte ne nka no sɛ ne nsuo ne tɔɔ ne kwan ne mu nsuo afa hɔ na sɛ yɛfrɛ no road erosion ntokuro paa me baby amete ahomachi me na ma me ba adwuma no da wo hye kwan no so ntokuro sa wanta wo boase a me se wo ka na se nyina bese sa kwan no anwea nko anwea na se gugu mu ena kwan na ye kakra no so se ntokuro mfoforo nso so asaba wo bese manhole pa eti wo bobo so ma enti wo kwan no ya hweye yɛbɛsra police for some mama ho nya ha wo krom ma yɛ na mo direct traffic no ɛna mo wo krom so etimi boa if say traffic ne ba say ya na obi apɛ so ɔfa ho if so obebre aye late etu apɛ so ɔfa ho no ɔno no ɔkɔ eti subantantan na ɛkɔ so wɔ kwan so eti anɔpɛ yi deɛ yɛbɔ police for aba so ntitu MTTD for yɛbɔ maba so adwuma so a mo yɛ wɔ kwan so na mo hyɛ sɛ bibia wo yɛ driver ni na wadi ule mu na wo fa nkyɛn na ma traffic na yɛ den sɛ police ni hɔ pa na sɛ wo kɔ adwuma homakye sɛ wo do sa driver for we na mo left we na mo right na ɛkwan no so na mu a bɛsi wani so kura bebriw eti wo defikaneshi ko circle police headquarters konungwa 37 Jubilee House kokomlemle car price tasano Madina any tema report ena yen sentroni wo ponchecheku e de amaye no yen nyina ye ni ehuni betimi asorentem ni asanso e de ato urban rose fo anim se madaworoma akwan ketenkete na deda ye efie achi no monye kwane maye e bi se main road ne ye ma ne ya ma ne ya fa ho oh kwan na deda nkyɛnkyɛn na deda nkyɛnkyɛn no ebi a wo fie achi sa bypass ne ade no feeder roads ne urban roads madaworoma say feeder roads mo na mo yɛ responsible mo nhwɛ maye it would use traffic na fa no wafa ha say wonya shortcut say sia na waduru adwuma mu say be yeduru ahoma anopa sei yeduru juwada sei na watch for ye kwa adwuma traffic nko anya 2 hours ne 3 hours na mfa tete emra ye me ka wo say Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na utie Sompa Ghana today ya the traffic situation amawi sabre de ye ko na de obokrata hodo abadwa so ne abobɔ ne tew abadwafo me makwa ba o
ya je so mama
na bibia bɔkɔ de
nyame ahu ya bɔbɔ
nyame gusua kura ye gusua kura ye minim sɛ no amo ensuo tɔ mo hɔ no a mo so ensuo tɔ pa di awia na banana sɛ because me de ahomachene na ɛhyɛ ase minim mo hɔ no nso
sese no asɛ June no mu ayesi no nsuo no nhɛda ne plan itime twa unum sa ate wo enche na asaka no
papers be na da wani ma
the Ghanaian publisher
o me di wachi a papers be na da wani
Chronicle ni Daily Post NFA bono na hafu ekonso
aberwati ade yin na de da wani mu
me the Ghanaian sense on open wa ba ha say no dem sem na me na Daily Guide obokrata no so ba the publisher new publisher ni nua no mu wa hantie be de be
yo ene apam fayesha ase na aberwati anto so
mo anopai yenkura batani nyina ededem Facebook ho unya nyaaya aka ho Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na ma memfa Daily Post de wa post na anopai wode Dr. Atakane Mfoni aba beto akire na nasam a waka no e wo poto kasam no de je wo mo a ekura dictionary no wo mo bubum unrepentant NPP doesn't deserve to return to power Asakane di na ka asemi enti Daily Post wa post kratafa to so miensa ene nson no ene no nso da ha afa wode innocentia atufui avenu wode ne mfoni aba betoa wono no wogwasu apon mu na woje ntete wakwa koti na nanom wanse do yesi okwe no amu no the beach ye woti na nanom wanse do de nam so a woti na nanom wanse do de yesi no ehwemu guso a ekoso anopai Daily Post wa post de aba wa anopai ka se ebo so ne ebo so se Switzerland for se wo mo to aba na wo mo hwese nipa no wo 10 million pe na wo mo hwehwe wo manum ne no na timamufo se ba sa wo mo atrapo wo mo ti asa de no anopai krata Daily Post so wa post de aba na sade etie ne yamobɔ ne tete uti mamemfa the Ghanaian publisher so wo no wo de yewra Erikopoku ne mfoni aba beto akire na minister ni mu nyamefe farmers warn of food crisis over subsidized fertilizer delays enti akuafo peasant farmers association wo mo akasa ho se fertilizer na che enti se nnuane na ma wo mo mfa so bo mo bia yemfa ma fertilizer no a ama ntem no na yede soafo a wo hwekwa ho nsem so ne mfoni aba beto akire afi patenso da ase ha sade Canada forecast wo mo mane maman num kura na kampese wodne na be kan ball ama Ghana na kira nko wokosha ye party ye pata sa ba be ye hi nti wo mo amana nko Ghana mpenimfo se wo mu tie makasa se mpenimfo bete ase afi Ghana Lotto Authority for na wo mo etwa lotto no nso e kasa de kire wo mo se KGL se wo tua 1 million 500,000 naira 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 173 million Ghana cedis Ediama a National Lotto Authority and a woman a chaloto no of a coolie more mini entry no more say there be a basa na sabio womo operators no womo enemutia and pay was say yanka Christian 79 now farmers please stop the budget war and release funds for National Fertilizer Subsidy Program and no the Chronicle the Bokratano and a day and no pay
yo any abruwati so mi enkoy
mama a royal friend is Angela List a bath magudie to a bibrem hasen wodi muntintin mapa ye kasa ya no wonom abona baso se womra emeye first vice chairman efa ema wona wotu efomagudie no wonom enkabom ko na no honsem no ewa hasenom na yankase mama ya de nyina so fire akufu eya de brebi atwam no ye chief justice from 2017 to 2020 mu wono na ye kire no na eya de a woka bedwakuo ya wonom etu eye aban no efo wo kyesa afie twam no ene ode ne krata akose wa resigning ede free eye efutufo ya wonom ewo hode ma aban no na so free wo bane nyina no nya ade aban kasa ho wono so ankasa ho biem ye kasa ho nsem no eya ade a aba beto dwa ewo daily guide obo krata ne mo ene anope na hwe krata fan ye toso miensa no a rabi a friend is Niharika handa wane onu ankasa ne ba eya ade a ebrebi atwam no wo kire no se wokita Ghana yankase ya krata kyese wo ye Ghana ni enom kyese da bi yehwe anim a wo se India ne ba ne sen ena okita Ghana yen krata na eno no kyese wo kire no nhwehwemu aguso a ebepem ene wonom se ne ho afi wonfa ne ho enkonkodi ne ho so sa brobe ne nyina ne se wo je krata no ewo ne kwan so mpanyimfo ye wo India ene Ghana nhwehwemu eba CID fo ene won bom hwehwe abonefo sem ene o mining krata sem wo magina to sampa wa ba baji atom so pese ye Ghana ni ene kwampa ene ofa so ne ba no so ekita sa krata ne nti
nese ono se won pese obeye Indian no ye Ghana ni ba wo hu na wo se wo ye Indian se de nti wan hebe won wa se de na wo beka se o se wo ye Ghanaian okay
ya na mra ne ma ho
no kre sa wo pa
pese me tu ekwatena Nigeria se Nigeria my bapa
ombetimi age watum o mo hwehwe won krata mu na wo se fata
enti o mo se bese 2022 ho July 8 ena oye sankrata asem ni nyina ntine ho nsem no enso aba beto ase no weekend farm with promises farmers to government they say peasant farmers o mo dua ne ma na say emfudie ne nkoma mu no mo nkabom ko no ena wonom kasa de kira ban say subsidized fertilizers na say aban no eya na fertilizers bi wo ho awocheche e de makuafo no no ane fa ho ka ana say bi wo ho anu wateka no so de ama wonom kuafo ne kire say brani ne senka wo mo ensa beka na wonom atimi de ayekua na so besi na asa aban no kokoasa no wobo so afọ ya wono hwe ekua yo ho nsam se ewura erikopoku efonye eda hase no ma wo chese aban no emfasika wase wode efa finance minister so ma wonom enu ntina wonom so ntimi fa fertilizers ne ma ye nti no aka ho bi ama peasant pharmacy chese aban no hwe na anohunu owe no nya de ide bibia ema no eyeye ma me fa we say entwem yade a apambo ababa wa wanya mfinhie aduo no level 200 students e wo UCC wo kyerese ni roommate ne nsem nim kyeremu a omuko hu se wawu na nanim butu ho e wo beach ho no ene se yade a ni roommate ne se one na wodem enwumre be se no nso wuku adane 10th June ya na kyerese wonya call no fa atade bi ahye ya wo pie ye no ano no wayira school for mpanyimfo no ne police for ahwehwe no ane se enrada wonom nya akose mochi bi ewo ho na baba wa bi aba be pie ho nti no momra mehwe na se before that na police for na ko mu coastal side ho wo UCC campus ho no beach bi ho no so ko hu ye na nimbutu fom a minimum eso moja eno nti no police for ne fa yo mo de akwakwotwere mo wo emukura bia hwehwemu nso koso ewo ho nti no ho nsem no enso yade a eda enimo hase no mama me fa de gani times obokrata na sem bi wo kratafa ya eno etoso edu mienu na wotresa wode wani kiremu ewo eye bono mantam ho a communal clash looms at Jinijine as 3 chiefs lay claim to disputed Galamsey site. Now wotresa atronie eno ewo sunyane ene go so kwantempo no so kontotro so no ena afen so eye sunyane ena wotresa Jinijine enkro miense yade a wonom pray ensa asase bia wo chese galamsefo aba abegye aboso na ohini wesi ye media wesi ye sit pani behwe na ese na wotwe awie ye no empanyifo ba se omo ba besiesie asem no na chese komina ye friend say galamse na ekoso na nka omo ba bepe ho pomesibre na chese asase wura omo adane de ama no na yese behwe na ma meto da bia ye duru amanfo so ane aka ya anom atroni me bi atwamu na me wo go so yeti de esi ho na ye chese na wotwe awie ye nso mrante kwan ye omo youth no wonom tetetete fidie tetafo yi bi so motorbikes ena chese enkrante kita wonom no mo hini kwa akohia mpanyimfo nti no wo mo de kwa akobɔ ne ho ba in case bibi esia yesra mpanyimfo se wonom hwe sanse hunu we no wo hu ni mpre no so de o waka no so suro sonso no mo nhwe sanse mwese ma ne ntena ho mfofo ne medane ye kwa ye enwi ekire se atroni bi atwam no ensem wesi wo ye sat biem da bi enu nti no ye kase ya yade a
ka asase no de no wo mo nkon ho sika pie so no ye fe na mo be tete
pie so ne de eti ye friend is saying yade a sunya ne mahene wakasa no kyerese mo hwese asomdwe betimi afa ne ntampa de from ama me fe
rio ene me fa daily graphic double krata ne kakramra na fa atiefo emrem wode ono abo mahama ayarga wono eye majority leader in parliament wode ne mfonyini ababa beto ha na nasma wode atodwa ne se omayi dodo amamu no ye mo ho ban ye defend democratic governance we eye futu a wode ama Ghana fo nyina se ye beboa ama enema fa ne ntuma pefra ena G-Tech for say wonim se apam wo ma na G-Tech for ma ba mo se ena wo certificate we ye nyintum ne ade wo mo se Costa Rican University bi doctoral degrees ye bi obi okoho no kosu ade na bia wo ye doctor abrewati a Oheneyere aha na omo nyintum na court se monkama no ntum mogitum obeyeye se nipa no Costa University no na wonya sa doctorate no a obetimi de akyerade ye obetimi de aye adwuma na esese nka G-Tech for no fra wo mo a wo makọ university wo ho akọ doctorate no na wo ne wo tena se na wo gi wo nkyire mu dan se wo be babonte de sa statement no ababonte ntimpanifo abo atogu emano ebo Hawkson story no so de aba ne se no stress fee policy no stress fee policy na bind by no was ye koyie papa adesua for 310,000 and o ma benefited from no stress fee policy no ho a bind the sika a sum 1.3 billion Ghana cedis and what this best e de aboa sa adesua for no se be ya wuko suku a wuntimi nka se minimade me ma me papa ntimi ntua school fees nti mabra bo ato apia e ho asem no nso e da ha seye na ye nyina nso ye hwe nim se the senior national team the Black Stars ukuada o mo de bebo boso o mo ne Panama for na Ghana for so ye krado aye ta wo meche no ye kwa sorry Tessa no Baptist Church wo mo se ukuada ye nyina ye nhye Blaster Jesse ne mfamra sorry ukuada no na because anajo 11 pm no mbebo no ha na ya bompa ye ata wo mechi nti ho asam no nso eda ha ni nyina ebeye enigisem kese papa
na ye betimi aye wo mo se banana
banana de betimi aye wo mo se banana ya lines ye di adwuma ni Apam kala ina mame
0260
Mama siri ya chichiri me
6064 0260 196065 0260 196064 and 0260 196065.
Okay ene yen shase na yen fa wo mo hello
what do you mean
ajani moment nka udam
wodam dem wampa dem
ene de we number 1 first caller yenko
Mama Juma
o siri no metie free mu
oh abanka
ani e shase e
na una tire sam siri
ah she ajani mo yenko
oro mo ma na di achaje
na matie fi owrobo ene chai buri ene ga bebo ne yare na juwa dai
you are very judge on your mama mo my Ghana
yeah that's it
me menchia na una kwesi usu oba o let's say we organize o di data na Jeff General Secretary ono so ba den Chris Road ono so ba ono say you organize na we dey open to Jeff ena so ba your friend is na musician boy also ba den o greater Accra youth organizer you na me pacho sija koji
yes
debia ya mo ya na so yi abande kasia ba e ka da wai
medru yes e baba te medru
me medru
ebi abedru ebi medru
ndi ama di ye obi aba obi anya 100 ali ezu ya we amada oh transport ro ai mo ma no kureti kakra mra o magana e ma ya fon kama mintin what you are doing you best student no o mo secret yo mo say o ma me no papa e bo mo ka no unko mo nse so mo sia adie no mo nya boyfriend kukere no eno na ekunku wo mo da no o mo dan dan sa ni ma ho kire kura
me da se eje ni mo 0260196064 and 0260196065
hello
me pacho mi nua ben me hia ni
mini toto
hey toto pachi
sorry ma trick you
what trick me wo sha da gu ni mu nti me hu ai anope me mo akwaba ma mi ntie wa no pe
ya suma mi na ku ponshira no ma wa de wate
amen
you space there no the best later
we are we ni kwa sen ka uka
ma trigger city
eni kwa sen uka we ko kana wa trigger na
ma
mintie
we dey Japanese informa me am brapeni on abolo e wo trobo constituency the patch of for deputy communication officer and penny say the bioha yemfa ensunya me yenkwachi ena yesoma obanyansani na yensoma na motentin nti full constituency muntu abama orabo abolo no me deputy communication na mo constituency ni mfa ntoma konfra ncha rabo Edmond Agbodo me kwa benyanya mi shira papa ena Julius Debra of Flagstaff nyami shira papa yi Peter Kwesi Mensa oni kwajo dankwa yakupo nshira mo pa o tema shepia mami uni yɛde nyankopɔn ase sɛ ɔsade John Dramani Mahama kyɛɛ na mede me mpae bɔ ne sɛ megu so a meboaboa me ho na makɔ Supreme Court na makɔ challenge mmara no a ɛsɛ wokɔ 2 terms a wonkɔ biom sɛ mmara no ka sɛ wokɔ 4 na wopɛhyɛm 8 years 2 terms a na wosa ba a ɛna ɛyɛ 2 terms no anaasɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhyigu na wohyɛ aseɛ foforɔ mɛkɔ Supreme Court akɔkɔntɛse na sɛ yɛ adwuma a ya pa John Dramani Mahama Chelsea on san ko bi to say nhihye ye pa stress free school fees here e pa yi on sa dance here ba say do na say o mu da ba say o mu
medase totopashi ye chia wona wo yire na o manyina 0260196064 and 0260196065 hello
medo
hey no krasani
oh yeah
Mr. Nokrasa we nyina me say you to be increase chop money oh
Papa,
Bemena.
Mo abasna before appointment in chief for staff na me na maso le juma pa wo yi. So ka mo ba for no so ba national vice and a ye just ye boa and also called the team organizer national na me am chairman. So the agreement now the agreement we are to go very regional secretary to Ashama or communication and Grand Forestry Commission. On the super papa bidding more appreciation of the regional vice. Opening of that. You best a year in penny for that. That's it, and many need say, you difficult, your boy, man, no chrono. You must bet me a park of patcho. I'm not buying that saying, I am the course, you never see a cano. You that is only so much your man, pony, poor man, no chrono, and you only took the other down there. When this car, who bet you a patcho? Nobody at the Yajatum, Nayaki wounds you, and also bet Jessica, your best friend penny for. Yanka say, never gun of food, who you can be a way to Sika. Send the power of a patcho. Never when you're in a full swan, yes, Nemo Sika, bet you, yet we identify him. Then see a good one, the Konoka, the better for quiet, Nemo Sika.
Medase no krasa 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Mr. Kosia.
Yes.
Calling to me.
I am Momole.
amamoni mo.
Mate. And na mo hono traffic net is saying.
Oh, normal.
Okay. Mate.
Adana trailer able to go pro 50 city. The free to kwase. They're concrete. Again.
15 cities, Trotro.
Trotro, I'm telling you the question. I mean, that.
From Pokwasi to Circle.
Madam, where issue and when you're getting to buy, move here, move sit down, to throw a unit to go for the another tower. His 30 to walk on I did come 15 cities.
Wow, Mate, you better investigate, Mamintio.
No, they give you some by my own to in Chantro.
Mate.
Yamin share justice, your boy. I could put Shano the deal will be an episode. You of the machine, deputy. Many about share pre-bargain you won't. They are sharing you. When you get the taxpayers' money, so people you my good. Now, when before you my way, next year, so you pay here, pre-bargain. Hey, and you could, so when you can you. We know when you are cooking, I do not know my Aponia. You can't eat the whole year. You get to say, also your side here, here, okay, and your college winning. The amount that was piano in installment. You told me, on my way, so you have a big area. If you some running to the theater, you to be gonna food with that say, if you want buying a fat class, so ever to me now, if you ever see someone for the fear with every back.
Medase Collins Amomole 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Mema mi Askosua Aboagye Oba Sompa Udidima Anyankapo Bidi.
Bright in ye. Nyame adom bright in ye ho abuso kan.
Bright ye me nua we na na ya kasa bitabora.
And you ready a woman?
Yeah, but
Nana yao. Okay. Nana yao.
Yeah, but
Tabora. And tuna nene sepa.
No ya ndisi ni na MPP ni.
Oh, ya MPP ni. Ena Brighton su ya ndisi ni ba o ye unua.
O ye minua.
Ase jina po enua fo no nyesa.
Yeah.
Okay. Me pa cho ma minti Nana yao Tabora.
Mame mo wabaso ene adwumasona oni ukriw mo bo Nyankopon hia pa adwenkase adwombo adu na beta ka u organizer me ma no Askosua usu ono so mechia no mo sisa bo ene nanake mechia mpolifoi mame minia ya kasafi obeka no le fe asem se efi Pokwase ba Accra a 15 CD. Man, me feel a pass Eko Accra a 10 CD. If you are an party a 10, and you have now 6 CD, and you may free Accra ba La Paz a 10 CD. And so you know in this for bar, almost a money we had in Tiansan Twaye Ramahamaso. Obia, Odipabia, the cat down, not the idea how Papa will buy a tuma papa, then a man, Papa Yaye. Majuma radio Juma Munye Mota will be achieved, but Moti will you Mahama Yajuma cannot play mobile Boston or buy what you see Namo Bona Basso. Papa in your Juma be and you will be banner what Yajuma come and then all La Party to quasi call at 15.
Medase enti Nana yao Tabora ye chiamu nyina wo 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha eya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today dwumadie na wutie na bre duru so ye Ghana speaks Ghana for a eche wo madwene hello
Yibu sansamini aba
Beme na meji usu me ho ye
wo ni abe ma na Oscar dan sumai
Nana Oscar na nso ehempase
ehempase mini aba
na uzika ne champagne yibra ne yeni ye
hey dunia ba ne amemo boni na mu kakana da horoka ko yepie bi
ai o de kawasem ne ko e kana
wa ahota o be femu no
na Oscar ba meeting
mini ya binu baba mini ya bi obi tsetlo mo ajaja la de ko organizer babeli fan how a palace sound and the cipher abrewa bubuashi obu nyina ko contest e be sere busiafo Yeah, Monton sense communication is money over that. Aye. I mean, Yaba, the Mecca said, Ninja was say, also Court. Mamma, yes, it's a move between and Pensa and Pen and Imperium. If you some Ranoko and Pensa and Pen and Imperium, command Penico for, or you might a compare what you might not compare what you show Penico for me with the my Ghana. I could work with them and I complain here. I don't want Bonnie and we all the cocoa of Jacob Samra. At the end of time, when we will buy a little way. Papa Toba Kuma, I'm a more in enemy. They say Bank of Ghana, and I'm waiting for some more. It's not a motion. I want something in the young who is on the top Bank of Ghana will be a poker. And since that, come away, sit down, I should gun and move them. I don't have a tongue. And the good board, a cat, that gold board. A cat. Then the Muhammad Baumia, yes, and the good reserve, my board, you one could do of a pay on 10 at the sunny actually. And the much is why my bedroom, you do. Because some can say, Master, and tossing it. Check it. And now it's coming to us.
Medas, and now it's Canny at 10 and Kanamika was a higher Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today, Jimmy Diano, a Brasui, Ghana speaks, and I watch the Wajine, Ewa Hase. Hello.
Sompa,
hey, Ebany, Quabena, Yamigusu, Shray, Minty one pay. Echo ye pana, I upon a sorry bedroom, and so you talk amana fufu. I am ready, any upon check crack rebi. Oh, now I come a party. We can nedia. I free sorry bedroom and a fufu of Yenadi. And my Sunday near day.
Yes, I am sorry, I am going to laugh.
Eh, sir. Obefie bedi bankuni tilapia sa ko share joint di mutu. Ani e wo yama bie me medi fufu no mani di biem. Ko ba che ben ma mintie o.
Na o ze you so let to so ta na share joint na o di e mutu ni nkatenkwan na ponche ko yi ba.
E ben ba che afi yenko. O time na sha se yenko.
Kama na sha akapi akobia nta ba papa. Aba papa ta na o le ma ko yi.
Meet you.
My Ghana. I think I'm in Nash. It's in Maminchia, Honorable Chief of Staff. The modern board of Boma grassroots, not being grassroots, and Fong Canova. Naminchia, the boss, Deputy Chief Executive, the Mashipia. Namin Kanche, and they really do it. Didn't have them up with you down of the Deputy Communication Officer or National. Mumayan Kayan, I'm moving grassroots on Papa Apa. Na yanka te follow who no route or no bashimo. No yaba. If you tell them from who you mystery. When you're an Aska was started, and a good board aboka. And the good board, and now my gun economy, who name Yauka. And now look at the Ochina about the people who are to say, that's a high sense. More can you ever. And then it doesn't on the man, Mamma Darwin here, and you can see a few of the corporate mining, farmer, mom, I get mining, papa. And no, I and ya mamma for what you buy, you become a party, no beer, Yagalam said, yes, was when. But I said, John, Mamma, yes, Madame Mouse was that corporate man, I know who you see. Not Ghana, that's not a day, I am here, no, I cut us to 9 days, then I have yet I do Mamma.
Mathieu Ben Medase 0260-196064 and 0260-196065. Hello. It was 0260-1. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho mi nua Ben Meshiani. Ayo uncle, wadawroma mo ano so kakra bi ma me why?
No, but on the permission only a Apam Dadaa Oheneyere, that's me chair Dr. Baumia, me chair a kind of watch Askosua.
Mate, mammy to your papa.
I can say, we feel confortos room.
Aye.
Potholes in headquarters.
Potholes headquarters here, Hinfa.
And a castle road.
I want to Castle Road. Now, so, or be chair down some my neck on the end in your crowd.
Oh, that did I be dancing under the to Fabua.
Sir, Castle headquarters, manhole.
I want a headquarters, Sarah. Who shall go never say any painful cream?
Mammy to your uncle.
The student, I am here. Yes, it's a million days. You don't go school. I couldn't walk to school. And I tell women, that's when you call. Call person women 20 and channel. When you go with your own answer, I thought we're going to wait you. Should they do a quiz? Should they do a quiz? Yes, someone did bring, say you're going to go to school now. Yes, we're hosted. I know the top of a couple. Don't you know? She says, back of a door for. Yes, someone. Yes, someone did bring, yes, someone.
Mate, uncle, watch Mate, Medase, your best school, no dear, who call school, where so call school. And Panachi, any school, fat, and Panachi, any school, and fat. Who's your dear, we are when your certificate a we. What the Panachi by Fraframua? When you submit me a brew 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Oba Askosua Aboagye.
Anyway, near two to me, him say, we original no, and I say, we Aboagye.
We are not Aboagye.
Near Nadia Mecha. As boy, I am Swano, Nanamo Aboagye.
Mamincha income national chairman, you were honorable Boachi, a Jaco. Namia Minia, and from Taifa, Kofor Domokabina, communication officer. Indeed, a minister, Meva Momayan Kaini, and from Tafa, Baja Omeg Mambo, Educated Park, Yangon. Minyaba, a buyer or the free senior high, a buyer, ma only deal for, the town for, carpenter for, making for, made for a backward secondary school free. And then the other also free. Abba. Now, I'm going to go university. Next one to show school fees here. Who to register Okofa, Obakoye? I just want 3 answer. Now, the free crowd, Tiashi, I'm not the other person, a 3 answer, like a very amount. When I are there, I have a basso. Penyaba, almost Abba Papa. Abba Papa, and I was a cocoa price. Go back 3,500 and now about 1,000 and never papa now. I'm a papa now, but I and now autumn cry gentle, who fly free, who never been any of papa now. About where I am, Kotoku, Amamua, about Wagana for because about way by Ghana and Mebu, I go by 15 months near Abanity Chiomokai.
Medase, Nanamo Aboagye, Ayenswano, and watch Yadophone, me funny Pami and Sanafi, Media Frefono, Abba every year 0260196064 and 0260196065. I hear Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana speaks a bre and na asono. Hello. Meju so Bemena.
If I do Frank Naro new, Domi Mayo.
Domi Mayo Frank Naro, Mamintia one pay.
I know by Mammy Papa Yamania, some in chat of me quite in your presence in Jamai. Mr. Isaac Dylan Philamti. They have me prepare for a good young demand at the back. Because Cynthia in Vineyard for the past better 4 years. Chamalampi, Abaya Chama, Jama, yeah. Papa, you was about ball, me one about sort of way. And I don't get the organizer. I have friends do the two, but I don't like a ball. Or call for main organizer to Domico for me and come up. Young funny organizer from why I one baby. Mammy, MPP, any NDC, and your back. Difference the woman of Bessie for Muslim. It was it for and what papa. Mammy, my Bible walk with the student quotation yard. But if you want the papa, you be my far or mine up here. And I said, the papa, my swap or mine anything. Papa Mamma and this baby is mammy. Then so 20 brim, and we have body brim, and we are never pencil, next time. Minaba, what I saw on the market there, own for Ghana and Map, or the big job and next one of Pine correct at Sosodian near of two because of the Papa Mahama baby at the end. 2 July, then so top and a point for a favor, Minaba, Cabe, Native, Cabe Giant and Master Chom. Body, Mankiria, it was on those. The next part by that time,
Medase, Yana, watch ya, Domi Mayo, watch your Munina, Amaye. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Me pacho mini abe machine mo ano so kakra ma me. Vivian, wanu wo fam pa o.
Let's check.
Hello Vivian.
Hello, yes you.
Vivian ha, me pacho mo ano so mami ntie wano pa yi.
But some person is catching any animal entities was to Atuan or Moya, no Munja is to Atuan. As I say, on mother Tinam issue, 8 good years, then on Moyama, am I? It's a question of Mutini Ya, is Daniel. It's almost like Papa John Dramani Mahama, no Yenema power. And next time, any other market in short, in my Diani, the city is to my head. It's almost like to Atuano, I'm going to come on too.
Miss Medase pa Vivian Yana what you be my dear chatokra and I'm Efe. Hello.
Hello.
Many of them are Ben Messiana no pay.
Oh, Pacho, for fire on it.
Of I have free.
To the question.
You, Quashimai. Wafa, any in you.
Not Mr. and Chia, the MP, Abikumano, the Rabban Hobby, or our sister. And I say, Adamu Kalamu Musa, MC, Omo Bejuma. They can say now, about Dansuma Johnson and Dakuma Johnson. And the question, Assembly no Susa, a buy, MC buy last year. Or one whom would be Pia Soka, or one of a Buamata, one Aye. But a Juma was soon. And MP, Atonsa, Afre, Western, Halfin Minister, Emanaba, Abeshe. There she walk on any that's what he said, or more call Abeba. Mama Baye read new design for doing region and I said, Gatano. Yes, a pie, but first what I is soon photos in your man, every flavor. There are no one. Now, as I say, now, so Yabo, my bass. As you might to say, you know, when you see in MP Papa, or Mujer, or man for one. I don't to say Omuchi, but Omer to an amount to Sompa, Mamano, I wish you would say. That Western House and so on, Mr. Omate, Abikumano. I almost how much now for now to say, I want to exercise the Wapa, Edamati. Now, may check, may call Minia get to see a boy, but or call for Deputy National Organizer. May a consensus executive, a man who can think of me a campaign, but on the moment yet. Maya campaign with Yaman.
Matebeme na meda sepayan wachia wo munyina nso amayetiefo ahane yedi afrefo no ACA e wo Sompa 106.5 FM akra na ye ko endpoint homeopathy clinic ne ama ne papa if say ye ho eye endpoint e ma wo yare bia. Latest research-based homeopathic treatment and edema war every endpoint homeopathy clinic. The wo kumasi ye kronma bohia wo won kran hanso ba bia fe ne shell signboard spenters kwano so. And Dr. Dubotin, Dr. Quatin, and the Dom Ube Huomo. Yaria Manipa Mobo, Nansu Drobia or Yaria Esana Yaria Biansu a draw. A young Wajuma. Bra endpoint homeopathy clinic and ano based on research what the instant man abba. And they bought a member woman penny brim memo my mre wompem. Side effect bia anymore. And no endpoint in Kwana Ubenyano. Say your physiotherapy, say a massage, or young Wajuma. A woman or how endpoint homeopathy clinic. Premature ejaculation, yen, nerve diseases, yen, kidney issues, yen, liver issues, yen. I don't know what your mobility are a champoa. Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Obawa Ahinasa. No one won't have for. Now I come and sort of prostrate a bem edge war or bow woman or how. I endpoint homeopathy clinic. Dr. Dubotin say your endpoint in my Arabia. It would be an sober 0244 8670668. 0244 867068. 0244 867068 and 027 423 4321 027 423 4321. Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Bomadi answer one crying hadia. Shall signboard a beabidin. Spenta Sakwana so hon and head office in the war. Tema community 22 back on so ho. And a cronma boy yan so ewokomase. Now we do a knee at your abratia. Monfaying ye.
Mamma, obisa phobia ni why I know to quine. On pesa obeyra me pacho. And one is a woba Sompa. Na wababe di uja wa hasenum sepeya. Ubetimi enya emfaso ede efri de wa. Wopese wobo ewo eye efidie so. Nisa yo sontia na Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Empaying for ese yenkancha wo se Opese we ye enquiries anaso ye hwehwemu bi ansemi sebi asembi na bi a opese wo de to yenim anase nkyeremu bi na wo hwehwe a wada Roma entwa kwan e wo mu se ye wodome Watermelon Street anase Green Hill Street ye ben dome market ne pa bia betimi aba ha na se opese obetwa kwan a aba no eyetiawa 0531 886216 0531 886216 na yetimi ajo so betimi afa normal call so SMS text message ni yebeje Telegram so ye wo WhatsApp voice note ene WhatsApp messages nyina no wo ya yebejo friend yetimi afa eche ye hu miss kwa ye betimi afro na de ohobia na yetimi aka na eno achi ne yeka se ensuo weni yenkwa ensuo etimi boa enipedua no ema ne sisi na akwa so se ne yese na fata na nye ensuo bia ne ensuo no nto ne ye kan focus mineral water ede amount ensu kroje ya yetunam na donko mu na emfidi ahodo ya yede eye ensuo no so no eye mu no eye papa Rastin bia na senwe na chibiada ena kobubu de agu nsuo no katrumu bia da ni nsuo no mo eye nsuo a wono mu a eye abodwo nsuo eno nti no eye yo na wo yo anase awadegye party bi ena woto anase woye enwumakuo bi mope ensuo dispensers ni bi ede asisi ho abusua schools ahodo institutions ni nyina ye kanfo de amamo momaji bi essence wo sachet one no wo bottle ones ne won keto adantamo ene akese na dispensers no kanena nke be friends kontoa eno so wo ho ebetimi de asisi emiamia ahodo na etimi abo ye nsunom Kasaloma Ventures na cha kwan no wo Taifa Accra ha ya back hospital na chi ana wonsa ebeka no from 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 and now 0303 965 780 0303 965 780 Kasa mineral water what's it in super penny nya binom na entime mo
yo ene ensu papa no ansa na abanu munsu no o se ye kokoje ayarehwe na akona doctor wo mo wadura no wabusa se didi ansa wanom ena aduro no nso udi nsuo na benom wo enti wode kasa eye obi bia no na adua no nso udi de eye papa de enkofa yade mrew Haja special local foods ne nuane a woye wono anato nanum tu se ye de aduane papa na wadi wo nkwanna no de ame enti aduane de wanhu wo na boche ase no na chese wuchi enti enne jagenzi sem no na ko Haja anchen ana de oda no won fa aduane mrew ope dokono de yaka to so nkra de bia wo de brew to za fe wache jollof pai ana abete tuntuni bia ne nkatekwan ana apa abekwan ene abete ni nyina Haja ye
enna papa ade enchi o hyase de abete ne ehun se fom nso onwunu unto oboase ne describe bobo aduane ye hye abete ye hye edi nkruma
emo ne nkatekwan wo ho
okay emo ne nkatekwan ene tilapia ti one want to be taking the whole auto we feeling wrong one want to be treating the whole yes you say and let us will treat it because I fin or him ekoye fine pa
and you them am fa number no 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 Haja ne oda no nso nye de yemra na abomu na ka fra aduan ne bia wo na abete wa de ano ansa wate wabomu atoso ana wahwie wo nkwan enti ne bibia edaye wo ye adwuma ba bia Instagram Facebook waje ba bia fa ana fa wo mokan
yo ye pese di greetings kakraba minim so ohene yiri obi mimi obi wa ha enti ma memfa me de me wuya no mako Facebook ama me na ko mensa mo so de wo mo de afa ho ne aka ne Yesu e wodi nyame bia happy birthday we a belated birthday my sister Comfort Amponsa wo Ebenezer Methodist Church ewo Akweteman eti ye maame Comfort Amponsa Ebenezer Methodist Church ewo Akweteman maame na nimfonyine edaso no ya ma wutsin kwase nya menhira ma wo send me message wo say maame Akosia me pe wasempa eti ma woda eti mami happy birthday na me me then am say me nda de ya me nkwa adwuma but the joda me come out na me chance de ascend o eti mi ya me twa na masa de ascend eti mami Comfort Amponsa Ebenezer Methodist Church Akweteman yeah, the happy birthday ma oni ase Nyankopon hya ne bambo ama wo onyamenya wo kese wonye wakoma so de ama wo de nipa bia ntimi nye no anyame nko na beye no wonye ne saa na wapem akase we die eye onyame na aye na efe ewo mani so na wade nyame ase eti efri Sompa 106.5 FM akra ene the happy birthday ema wo na abrwetia we de ye happy birthday sonko kra ye de ma nana ama chinye edin no ai chinye okay nana ama chinye the second queen mother of Seshi Asanwe so ai Seshi Asanwe so hema no eti nana ama chinye a wotoso mienu enti mame ye ma wutin kwa we de Seshi Asanwe so mo hema ne ho ofede said was ya bokente papa bi ese kwa otisa odina na de asem mo ai nanim so onyam ai na basa nso mo odu ankasa muti bi mamamre ye fese
otwemu ana nkofo nyina admire no oye obi anyankopon ahyeda anwene no na waye no nso oye obemu
ntina asanwe nso hema no
ai Sefi asanwe so no ai na nama chinye a wotoso mienu eti efri Sompa 106.5 FM akra ene ye de man woni Sefi asanwe so adehie nyina
so na matena nkonya nyina
na matena nkonya nyina wo monkoso antie Sompa wo monkoso antie ye da wo monse se Sefi asanwe so ho nyina wo mutie na Wilberforce mu nyina afa so ede banti fantastic Wilberforce enso so na afa ede amano nti mame ye ma wutiri nkwa na nyame nka ho na wonhyira wo na wonye wokwese wo ma wonni wonkwa na emme ewo empomdi mu ye da sipi se mogusuwa na Sefi Asanwe so magye Sompa akra atumu edi abroti ya obi ha wo chia no na afa yemfa Mary na afa yentena sene ne Sompa Rhapsody yemfa nto so ne Sompa Rhapsody say wo yo obi a wo free wo hia busua mu a ene program ne ye wo dia baby a wachinye
nkwaje aba mo
wachinye utimi se bibi to nne
why say mansa
wawie yaba obi ani ho ba betwitwa abusuan why de obi abo ho asepento akọ
mogrofo mi hia mu mienu ha monko no munsuo na mo samra because ye nyina ye ka ho bio ana apam wo frisro
dabi
ya de no kra de asai say
ifram na num na efra
amra na nkotogumo no nya kwa asa wu bia omo maka wa
ene Sompa Rhapsody se wo firi abusua mu odin abusua mu nya chese wo de bibi to nne na aka se hwan na be de 5000 beba be yi mi kura ye nya wo ese wutie dwumade yi ene Sompa Rhapsody aba wo ba nimdie betimi aboa wo because baby a wo firi no wo de kwaya kakabensam ni dwea asam wa beto wo no wo betire mu saa eti eno na ye bedi hu nkomo e wo Sompa Rhapsody nti wonim se baby a firi no e ho den te se Askosua Aboagye medie yi bia na ho wanim ho wachi obi wa so wanim ne wachie bi wo ho ye de na bi ni ba bia eje da ma tu sre no a bra betie ababawa abrante betie bi na efa bo bra na fo na mo sisi yie efi se ba bia wo free no enye no na kire wo daachi ba wan hwe ya e be kire wo daachi start but have a great finish. You can have a bad start and have a great finish. And I say you can have a bad start and have a bad end.
Sure. It depends on you.
More etienesa wo bad start. Now we pay good end, great end, glorious ender. And na some power so the air wo dia tie bi. Na de obi aye no wontimi nya bi o. Wo ko school mu na bi mu din samfo a wontimi nya bi. Wodu adwumam na bi ye gya sama wontimi nya bi. Wodu aware ase na bi ye gya wontimi nya bi. I'm telling you. Obi betimi aye gya apake na niam asesi akọ na maame ne papa fi.
Na wo fa wo kọ.
Dabi uni baby akọ.
Yes, Obonto on fan home monka.
Entimo busa ba ne bi na emede.
Obonto on fan home monka.
Obonto on fan home monka.
Na wo front mago nso aye nipi plagoro.
Na ayi etawoto a.
Yehuru ntreja.
Eti yan ya chinye no. Ufiri wo hia busuo ma hwi nim no. Ya wo kwa fa so boy bra including na bra wonyeska. Including a bra wonyeska.
And they said you be see a treating. Wa bra wonya baby.
Wonya baby agina. Enti na make kan za mo betena se ya mo ko no musuo no masaba. Including a bra nyame ya wadom. Na wo hu mobo. Na wo favor no de kakraba wonsem. Se wonnim na wo mo down wo no. One treaty wo mu ya wo fombo eye guaranteed.
Obi a no wote se wo a.
Wo e ho na emede. Obi a no wote se wo no. Se obi a no wote se wo na wote saa. Na ne wonya baabi agina ka hunu se baabi anipa no wo no so nyame betimi apagya no. Na emo magina se baabi nyame de uduru ye no. Se wo bekwa kopem. Anasa wo bekwa koyie no ejina wo awoso. Eti abiroti enkomo no be de nti wo de ka wo de ne wie na ye wie a ye de aka to so.
Mama me da se mama for happy glorious birthday. Emma mi ankasa me ba Christian Service University me call ho school ode no eche me. Joyce Sechiwa Abrefi.
Ona da hoyi.
Eye na woda wo no e na eda hoyi. Na akwada ise de okita ahofe no okita suban so ahobrase so de wo fa na kwa.
Safo nim no.
Safo ya dai.
Onim no, ana onim no.
Safo waba some papa.
Adenti na wo boss safo di.
Waba some papa am say safo na safo shemsi a. Well no. Na owani so ade hu so obeye nsentwe nti wa hye ne dwumadie kurase.
Okay,
because safo nim no.
Ye ma no happy birthday. Onyankopon kwa na yesre ne ho nhira ede ema na ma mesane a Jeremiah 29:11 ne kan ye no. O say for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Now the MD H20 say I decree and declare say Numbers 6:24 and 25 no say what I can say the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. And rather than 22 anamon NC year akora you obi a mame yakase obitimi ekita problem wa why one of those persons.
Yeah, wa funny me mu but what me ginam
but who na who's a one happy person be. I say sometimes I climb my eyes out but say me ba wani mu ana my best ready I share then you pee on the 20s na so radia ma no nyansa ne dia
abrabo mu nyansa
yesre nyankopon se won koso a e ma na kokodro no ma na hoden ye obetimi de akon e wo bra kwanto mu san se obra we no e yo kona so nkonim die e ye de chefa e ye ne portion tin no Joyce Erade Askosua, insure I love you so much. Erade Emma Kwatenti ahoden ene apomuden.
Yeah, Apam Dadaa. What do Facebook wa ma?
I do Facebook na nsam na waka no. Ya memma ababa wa no.
Emre mu ma no.
O ma ne prayer partner nye prayer point.
Amen.
Na eno sa no anopai Reverend Ankoma or Pristia Huni Valley Brotherhood Asafo ene na woda. Me ma ne happy birthday. Wala. So no no.
Roman father. And I only Roman father.
The Church of brotherhood suffer reverend
okay but only Roman father me who attach na me ka se bia we Roman father okay
so on the war priest here huni value
okay me so share wedding ring cra or say wawari mpo and ka me di Roman father attach ko share
fe obunu hu say wantimi anye ne hu fi ne kokko say tie ni na Facebook no happy birthday nana machinye o ne wabaha fantastic way back for
ya kama na dada
ana kofi ketekire nso say no sankore DJ ketekire no na was adwuma de mo bopa moni adwuma papa ba o mi abedi president 2029 inshallah eno eye ko wensa pilatua wono nso ne die ni Safia Muhammad wachia no ana ne nyina echi no nso no Joshua Asiedu wasi good morning na ene abrowa sompa on kransa wase menchia wo ma no na ya metafa na nkredi wotie wo papa isi wotie fidie no ho nti wochia wuye
nkransa mense wonom
wase abrowa Susana odi akusua nti ya nkra no mefadia
ya na wura fi
etoda na asem na yedodo
Bana de wakai
na de makaya na mame
yes
Chronicles say yankan Ecclesiastes 7:9 do not be quickly provoked in your spirit for anger reside in the laps of fools
fabric mame na yanko
abasemni wasankafo etia yanso ne nchiche mu nkono wase mama bumfu ntem na abufuo atem kwasafo na so Ecclesiastes
and say nyamiasem so yento sabi
7:9
Ecclesiastes 7:9
and a chronicle na say vehicle pollution a leading risk factor for Ghana death
and
the car to we see nyamo de ni bi some mo de ni de we see free to
me no we what atie for Apam Dadaa no a ena abrewatia na si wo mon kono munsuo no mon samra e say ye squad na munye o adum bi na mom sa adum no dum wo kra na sa wa mo ani anna ho a adum ne be ye kwa e say Paul kra kan say eti adum na do so ntie ma bone no so ana ena wo se da bi da eti ya homesu ye wi ane de Sompa Rhapsody dwumade na to so ena woni Abakosia go Aboagye metene se ne mama wabrabo mo futuo ne adesua me wi amabie phone lines na wo so waba me se enne se wachinya te se medie ni bia wachinya te se apam de ni bia wachinya te se aberwatia de ni bia bra ne betie Sompa Rhapsody na nyamempo ye wadoma mo nya baabi agina nyamempo mo nya wadoma ma won setimi dware wachi a eno nche se no ano no ebi say wan hweye na wan fa wana mo nsisi yi a awieye ne besa akoye te sa ahyase no awieye no ebeye te sa ahyase no obeba be ka say manya sika panyo ebi say ade bi da busuanim ye de ne ye den ye de gye ye ho eti say nyame kura ye wadom na say wunya sika wunwie yo nyame ye wadom po na wunya ba bi gina wunwie. You can have a bad start and have a great finish, or you can have a bad start and have a bad end. The choice is yours. Ghana today, Ghana speaks in India. Every Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. The next edition, I was Sompa morning. I did to a swama mono. A Sompa Rhapsody. Then I wouldn't Abakosia go Aboagye Kosia Shadia Nyamia Stana na Metna.